The latest on the coronavirus emergency. Overnight, a new case was confirmed in the U.S., bringing the total here to 14. More than 15,000 new cases in China, and worldwide, the number of cases now tops 60,000.
And this as the situation grows more desperate on that quarantine cruise ship in Japan. More Americans coming down with the virus on board. Maggie Rulli is there where that ship is docked. Good morning, Maggie.
Good morning, Robin. Yeah, right now, as of today, there are more than 200 people with the virus on board this cruise ship. And in just the last few hours, we've learned that 2 more people here in Japan have tested positive for COVID-19, including a taxi driver.
Overnight, a surge in new cases of the potentially deadly COVID-19. China reporting nearly 15,000 more patients have been diagnosed, bringing the total to more than 60,000. The death toll now reaching 1,369. The new numbers coming after China started using a new way to check for the virus. Meanwhile, the world's still watching that Diamond Princess cruise ship that's been docked in Japan now for more than a week. Yesterday, health officials announced 44 more cases of the new coronavirus on the ship, bringing the total number infected to more than 200. The emotional strain also seems to be spreading.
Every day is just waiting to hear more bad news. That's ultimately what it feels like, that you're just waiting on the ship of doom.
Melanie and John Herring have been taking their own temperatures, but John now has had 2 days of back-to-back fevers.
We're just trying to keep his fever down. He gets it down for a while and then it goes back up.
John has now been sent to a local hospital where he's staying in isolation, but he still has not yet been tested for the virus, and they don't know why.
I would rather be back on the cruise ship.
Today, perhaps a little relief for some on board. Officials announcing that starting Friday, Japan will allow high-risk passengers off the boat to continue their quarantine at a facility on land. Across much of Asia, protective gear is nearly impossible to find. In Hong Kong, someone's smashing this car's window to get to the face masks inside. Amid the confusion and mounting fear, there are a growing number of reports around the world of Asians being shunned or targeted due to fear of the new coronavirus.
If another person coughs, people don't pay attention to it. But if an Asian person coughs, people move away, people shun you.
Jung says his friend was recently threatened on a public bus.
They said, if you sneeze at me, I'll kill you. They said this to someone on the bus.
This college student says she was also targeted. She says when she sat down at a communal study table already occupied by 5 other students, she sensed something was wrong.
They started whispering, started looking at me, and within like 3 to 5 minutes, they quickly gathered their stuff and left.
The CDC is now saying that the spread of this virus from person to person is now likely to happen in the U.S. or elsewhere. And guys, this is a major concern for doctors back in America. Michael?
Major indeed. Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.